In this tutorial we are going to install the Tailwind CSS in reactjs. Now we install Tailwind CSS version 3. First we go to the editor. Then we create a React project. Just the project name is Tailwind CSS. Let's hit the enter button and wait something. Okay, after complete this project setup, then we enter into our project directory cd tailwind css. Hit the enter button. Then we install the Tailwind. First of all, we write some command in our terminal. This command is npm install with deep dependency, then first Tailwind CSS, then postcss, and at last auto prefixer. Now hit the enter button. Let's wait some time. After complete this command, then we write the another command. This command is npx tailwind css init full. So press the enter button and we see create a file, the tailwind.config file. After create this, now we change some code inside the content. Inside the content we write source, we write the project extension, source stable js ts jsx tsx and okay, the content section is complete. After complete the configuration file, then I go to the source directory and first we enter into the index.css file. In this file we remove all custom design and we add some code. This code is Tailwind base tailwind base, tailwind components, tailwinds utility. After write this, then we start our project in terminal and write the command npm start. Okay, our project is starting the Mozilla browser. Okay, after start our project, now we open the app.js file. In the app.js file we remove all custom designing code. In the app component we write a normal text headeration, and we write hello tailwind css. Now we add our tailwind classes. Class name, text, pen, 6xl and underline. Okay. Now change the class name 3xl. Okay, the output is completely okay. Thank you everyone for seeing this tutorial. Thank you everyone.